Hello, in this video tutorial I show you how you enter a roof and how you define the properties of a roof. In the first step we deselect the ground floor layer to get a better overview. After it we deselect the grid and the line width. To enter our roof construction, we have to create a new floor. Therefore, we select Building, press the right mouse button and select New Floor above. First, we enter a new name for our floor. For example, Attic. After it, we select Transfer. In this menu, we can select a source for our transfer. In this case, the upper floor is correct. At the point Objects, we can select None, All or Selected Objects from the upper floor. We click on Selected and we select the construction elements. Of course, you can select or deselect in your project different options than we do in this tutorial. We click on General and press OK. As you can see in the 3D view, we successfully created now a new floor without windows and doors or other construction elements. Finally, we deselect for the 2D view the layer Upper Floor. And now we can start creating the roof of our house. Therefore, we select Building, Roof Construction, Insert Roof. Here we can select between different options. The first option is to insert a rectangular roof. We can also insert a roof on a polygonal contour, that's like a polygonal entry, or insert roof on selected contour. We click on selected contour. We move the mouse to the area where we want to create the roof. As we can see, the program tags automatically the area with green color. And now we press the left mouse button to select the area. The roof construction dialog opens. We move it a little bit to the left side and we open the 3D view. We maximize the size of the view, and that's how the undefined roof would look like. I will give you now a short overview of the functions in the roof construction dialog. At first, we will take a look at the point Materials. Here we can change the materials for the roofing material, the width ridge, the gable ends, the valley gutter, and many more. At the point Cladding, we can select or deselect different functions of our roof. With or without gutter, we can deselect the verge board, the ridge, or the valley flashing. These roof constructions are special cases where the roof gets disassembled in single 3D objects. This creates a lot of data and you need a powerful hardware for it. So use it only if you really need to show these options, for example the standing seam in 3D, or if you have a powerful hardware. At the point wood construction, you can define the wood construction of your roof. You can select or deselect the inferior purlin, the center purlin, or the ridge purlin. You can also deselect or select the color beams and the rafter. Here you can define the wood dimensions, for example of the rafters, the color, the inferior purlin, and many more. At the point rafter, you can select the eaves cut for the rafter. You can choose between horizontal, right angle, angle. Here you can enter an angle for the eaves cut, vertical, or with second cut. At the point eave details, we can select between 3 different cornice types. Or we can select a visible rafter end. The next point are the gable end details. Here we can change between different cuts. And we can select for the visible purlin type, always visible or visible if overhang. At the point hall construction, we can define our roof as a hall construction. At the next step, we start to define the roof sides. Therefore, we move our mouse to the 3D view and we select with a left mouse click a roof side. In the roof side menu, we can select between different roof profiles. For this roof side, we select a gable roof. In the next step, we define the overhang for our roof. Therefore, we enter at the point overhang, for example, 0.50 meters. After it, we press the tab key to confirm the entry. Now we select the next roof side. We could select now again between the different profiles, but we select the hipped roof. For the pitch we enter 32 degrees. After it we press again the tab key to confirm the entry. For the high we enter 1.80 meters and we press again the tab key. The overhang is 0.50 meters and that's correct. We select the next roof side. We stay at the hipped roof. And we enter again for the pitch 32 degrees. We press the tab key. For the high 1.80 meters, we press tab again. The 0.50 meters for the overhang are correct and we don't have to change it. For the next two roof sides we will make a multiple copy. Therefore we click on multiple copy. The red area shows you the roof side we just defined in the last step. We click on the next two roof sides. They get tagged in green. We click on transfer to transfer the properties. And after it we press OK. One roof side is still undefined. We select the roof side. We choose for the roof side a gable roof. And for the overhang we enter 0.50 meters. After it we press the Tab key. All 6 roof sides are defined now, and when we are finished we press OK. The roof is created now. If we would like to make again any adjustments on the roof, we select the roof, press the right mouse button and select Properties. We open again the 3D view. And now we can move the roof level, or we select again a roof side to define it. We can also select the jump sill menu. Here we can click on the letters to define the properties. At the jump sill menu for the interior purlin, we can also switch between the letters to change the properties. But in a standard case, you should find all properties you need to define in the roof side menu. Now we press OK to exit the roof construction menu. We press Escape and take a look at the roof in 3D. We can see that there is still a hole under the roof at the wall. To close this hole, we select the layer Attic, press the right mouse button and select Properties. At the point Rough High, we will enter, for example, 6 meters. The roof will cut off the walls automatically. After it, we press OK. The hole is closed now and the walls got cutted off by the roof. In the last step, I show you how you can switch on or switch off the roof construction and the cladding in the 3D view and also in the 2D view. Therefore, we click on the cladding symbol. We can change now the visibility for different options of our roof. Therefore, we press the right mouse button and select Visibility. Here we can select or deselect different elements of our roof. In our case, we deselect the roof paneling, and after it we press OK. Finally, we also deselect the roof construction. Therefore, we click on this button, and now we can select or deselect the roof construction. You can also define the level of the roof. Therefore, we select the roof again, press the right mouse button and select Properties. We move the dialog again a little bit to the left and open a new 3D view. At the point Move Roof Level By, we enter, for example, -1 meter. After it, we click on Apply. We can see that the level moved, and we can press OK. After it, we press Escape. In the end, we can take a look at our finished defined roof. Thanks for watching. For more tutorials, visit our website cadvilla.com.